Okay, all right, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go make sure that everybody is on. Let's go. All right, guys. So I'm going to share my screen. But first of all, has everybody gone on the group chat to join all the telegrams? If you've joined all the telegram groups, if you have joined all the telegram groups, if you have joined all the telegram groups, drop 7 in the chat. If you know you've joined all the telegram groups, only Taiwo actually went to the group chat to message. Is Taiwo the only person on this call today? Should we end the training? You guys don't need this, Abby. You're good. You're good, right? Only Taiwo is responding, and that means he's the only one. Maybe I will just have a private session with Taiwo, since he's the only person keen about learning. Okay, so now do I have someone here who would love to volunteer to actually share their screen? Okay, I need somebody here to share their screen. I want to show you how to set up the MT4 app. The MT4 app. The MT4 app. I'm going to teach you how to set it up. I'm going to teach you how to fund the account. How to fund the account as well. And I'm also going to teach you how to utilize copy and paste of trades from the different apps that we have. Okay? All right. Who has an elite package? If you know you have an elite package, raise your hand in the chat box. If you know you have an elite package, raise your hand in the chat. If you know you have an elite package, raise your hand in the chat. If you have an elite package, raise your hand in the chat box. If you have an elite package, raise your hand in the chat. If you do not, then I'll just go ahead and do what I need to do. But first things first, if you have joined all the Telegram groups, then that's done. Next thing, we need to set up your MT4 app. All right, so if you know you have the MetaTrader 4 app downloaded, anybody at all, you haven't set it up, you just downloaded it. Okay, Ezenwa has elite. Okay, awesome, fantastic. Ezenwa, I hope you've downloaded all the apps I listed. I hope you have downloaded all the apps I listed. Today is your lucky day. All right. Hold on. Let me send to some of my notes. I've been expecting you. Just didn't realize you would come in front of this channel.
do not deserve to be free. For people need to do that. I will leave no room to chance this time around. To save her.
All right. So let's go. Let's get at it. Okay, so who is sharing their screen for MT4? Who is sharing their screen for MT4? Who is sharing their screen for MT4? If you know you have your MT4 app, you probably just downloaded it. Go ahead and share your screen. Real quick, let's make it snappy. Let us make it snappy ASAP, so we can get out of here on time. I have a lot to cover, a whole lot. So please do us the honors and make sure that you are very quick with response. Do me a favor, please respond quickly. Okay. Is someone sharing? Nobody wants to share their screen. Who just downloaded the app? Who just downloaded their app today? Who just downloaded their MT4? I can see Prince Will, you're on the call. You also need your MetaTrader 4 app for TBX. So go ahead and share your screen. Have you set it up? I'm very sure you haven't. Yes, the knowledge what I'm teaching you will also help you with in TBX. I'm also teaching some things that will help you in TBX. Prince will go ahead and share your screen. I'm pretty sure you probably haven't set up your app. You just got started last night. Who else is here? Okay, Jumoke, have you set it up? Have you programmed it? Have you done your demo and all that? Do you know how to share screen? Look at the bottom of your phone. There's a green button that says share. Click on that button and then screen and then start broadcast. Okay? Okay, Jumoke has set hers up. All right, Prince will please, I know you are very new, so go ahead and do yours. Awesome. Okay. All righty. Where's your MetaTrader 4? Okay, click on it. Let's go ahead and set it for you. Okay, click on accept. Click on accept. Okay. Okay, great. So now, click on the menu button on your top left. On your top left. Good. Click on manage accounts. Manage accounts. Then click on the plus sign. Open a demo account. Search for well, for the purpose of this training, I normally use Google's Way for demo, but yes, let's use Google's Way because that's what I like to use. Google's Way, HUGO. Yes, that's it. Google's Way Demo 3. Click on it. It's the next thing you want to do. Put your name, your phone number, your email. Phone number. Email. Scroll down. Scroll down. Change your your leverage. You can leave it. Change the deposit to 3,000. So you're going to learn about leverage. I'll send a video on the group that will explain what leverage does. Put it at 3,000. Yes. Create demo. Create account. Create account. Is your email correct? Create account. Okay, click on done. Fantabulous. All right, so now you have created a demo account successfully. Click on chat. So the bottom part of the screen here, at the bottom, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. You have these 5 columns, right? Now you want to set this in such a way that the candles, everything looks decent. So I'm going to tell you where to go to now. Go back to the menu. Go to scroll down. Let me see something. Scroll down. Click on settings. Okay. Scroll down. Click on colors. Great. So now, you want to, now I'm going to give you the recommended colors. Pay close attention. For your foreground, my own foreground is white. Then for your grid, you can leave your grid the way it is. You can leave your foreground the way it is actually. Volume, green. Change your volume. Okay, volume is green already. Bar up, change it to blue. Click on the black box there, change it to blue. Bar down, change it to red. Red. No, bar down, red. Click on a red, yeah. Bull candle, blue. Bear candle, red. Okay, I'm back. I'm so sorry. It took, man, network took me out. I don't know why. It was just taking me out anyhow. Okay, so Prince Will, if you can hear me, please go ahead and change your bull candle to blue. Let's be quick. This call should be done in less than an hour. Right? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bull candle blue. Bear candle red. Bear candle red. Line charts green. A light lemon green. Lemon green. Lemon. Then bid price, ask price, sub levels. Okay. Scroll down. Let me see if there's any other thing there. Scroll down. That's the end. Okay, click on done. Click on done. Done. Guys, I hope you took screenshot of that color settings. I hope you took screenshot. Even if you're on the TPX package, that's how your MT4 color scheme should be set. Okay. So I hope you took note of that. Next thing, go back to chats. Now the bottom icon, the second one. Good. Can you see now? Can you see what this looks like? Now you're able to identify your bearish candles and your bullish candles. So now you're able to do that. You've set up your MT4 and you're good to go. Now there is a particular indicator I like to add. Let me see. Click on the F button up there. The F button up there. Yeah. Okay. Then click on the F plus where you have indicator window 1. Click on F plus. F plus, yes. Click on oscillate stochastic oscillator. Stochastic oscillator. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Yep, stochastic oscillator. Click on that. Click on stochastic oscillator. Okay. See. Change the percentage K period to 14. Change it to 14. The first one where they wrote 5, change it to 14. Click on done. Done. Good. Okay. Click on the F sign again. Click on the F sign again. That's relative strength index. Click on its relative strength index. Click on it. Go back. Click on the delete button at the top right. That does mean delete button. Click on the relative strength index. Delete it. Delete. Go back. Go back. All right. Okay. Let me see if it looks like mine now. Good. All right. So now, this is how your MT4 should look like. So now you've officially set up your MetaTrader 4 app. So we're good to go with that one. Now, Prince Will. Let me see. Okay, you know what? Where's Ezenwa? Is he still here? Ezenwa, please, I would like you to share your screen now. Prince Will, thank you very much. You can unshare your screen. Thank you so much. I've used that to set up your MT4 for you. So now you're good to go. Now we're going to learn how to actually copy and paste trades. All right. So Ezenwa, please go ahead and share your screen. I need yours because you're an elite customer. All right. So let's go to, no, wait now. I calm down now. Calm down. So share your screen. But wait first. Okay, let me unmute you. Unmute yourself. Let's go to your Go Live app. First of all. I'm going to take one by one. Let me see.
Cheese. Go down.
One second. I want to be able to see the apps while we're here on Zoom. So we've treated MT4, we've treated Telegram. I told you guys to join all the Telegram groups. So now let's go to Go Live. Let's go to Go Live. Okay, so guys, when you log on to your Go Live, he's already logged on. Calm down, no. I know you've set up everything, you're already trading, but for the sake of the newbies, let's take it a little slow. All right, so now guys, when you log on to your Go Live, the first thing you want to do is make sure your language is on English. Ezenwa, do we have your attention?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, please stay with us, okay? We'll be done in a
I'm
bit.
with you. I'm with you. I'm with you.
Please go to the Go Live app. Please don't mute yourself again. If you mute yourself, you won't be able to unmute yourself. So just relax, okay? Don't mute yourself. So go to the Go Live app. Go back. Click on, so language, click on that English part so they can see what it looks like. So guys, most times it comes with being in Arabic, right? But you want to make sure that you always change it to English language. So click on the menu button again. No, not this one. The menu button on the top left. Okay, so let's go to notification settings. All right, so now guys, you want to make sure that all these notifications are turned on, okay? And also you want to now turn on your notification for your Go Live educators. So make sure your phone notification is turned on, London session, US session, Asian session. So let's scroll down. Slowly. Okay, now we have English binary. Okay. So now we have who are the educators you want to follow? If you're on the elite package, it means you have access to TBX, FRX, and DCX. All right, so now we have, I recommend turning on Oladakpo or not. I mean, it depends on your schedule. Guys, you can turn on any educator you want. So take notes. Top recommendations for TBX binary would be Olodike, Kemprimo, J. Awal, Millie Mills, Yeah, those will be my top picks. Those will be my top picks. All right. Now scroll down. So we have DCX as well. For DCX, Nick Gomez, Crypto Picasso, Curtis Cobain, Sean Oguntosi, Mike Sotero, and yeah. So everything he has turned on DCX is what I would also recommend. Everything he has turned on DCX is what I would recommend. So make sure you equally have yours turned on. Scroll down. Okay, FRX. Let's see. FRX. Definitely Dr. Katsi. Slow down. Some of these guys here are new. Not familiar with some of them here. Scroll down a little. Slow down, slow. Hold on. Lee Allen. Turn on Lee Allen. Lee Allen. Turn on. Okay, Kimberly Torres is on already. Kim and okay. Patrick Kinney. Turn on Patrick Kinney. Patrick Kenny. DeLorean. I think that's all for this guys. Okay, then also hold on. Scroll down. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Manny Quinones, Mary Torres are on right. Okay, that's good. Scroll down a little. Okay. All right. Turn on Starboy. Steady. Starboy steady.
Sorry, someone called.
Can you put your phone on Do Not Disturb so the call won't enter
Yeah,
again?
yeah, okay. All right, nice.
Awesome. Okay. Please move my name to the right so that you can see the icon there. Okay. I think that's all for FRX. Let's go down. To TBX. Okay, good. Lee for TBX. Dr. Kati for TBX as well. Kimberly Torres for TBX. Okay. I mean, pretty much everybody for TBX. I mean, aside from Delano. Let's go to it. Okay, so we're good. We're good with turning on alerts. All right, let's go. So now this is how to set up your go live. Does this apply to HFX package? No, not everything. For the HFX, but rather the TBX pack, turn on binary, or the educators I recommended for binary and the educators I recommended for TBX. I hope you took screenshots. Maybe take screenshots of all the parts where you have notifications turned on. You can post it on the launch call group or the group chats later. Post it so people know the ones to turn on. Right? So screenshot them, and turn on. Okay, so we've set up Go Live now. I'll show you how to join Go Live sessions with the app as well. And then we will move to the SwipeCoin, Steady, DeLorean, Swipe Trades, and Gold Cup. Okay, we'll move to all the other apps ASAP, and I will show you how to use these apps on your MetaTrader 4. Now, the next thing I'll do after that is to show you how to fund your MetaTrader. In fact, you know what? There's a training by 9 p.m. that's going to show you how to fund your MetaTrader 4 account so that we don't waste more time here, because I want to show you strategies that would, where you can get trade ideas from. We have apps, we have strategies as well, and you can get trade ideas from all of them. I would also show you how to get copy and paste trade ideas into your Binance broker, so you can use. Eze, is your Binance ready?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes. Yes.
okay, great. All right, so now go to the menu button again. Go to the menu button again. Live sessions. Live sessions. Now, great. So you can see that they're educators live. So when you come on live sessions, maybe you receive a notification and you want to join the educator that is live, just go straight to live sessions. If you slide through easy. If you slide through, it's going to show you all the educators that are live at the moment. You can imagine, just look at how many educators are live right about now. And some are even in different languages. Okay, for example, if you want to join Delano, right? You can click on Delano's picture right now. Click on it. Click on Delano's picture and it will tell you on air. Watch now. Watch now. Great. So right now we are
By knowing
live.
support and resistance, as simple as that, I know price will go. Now we get an entry anywhere in this candle right here. Boom. Next candle lifts off. I know exactly where I'm taking it. Boom. Right here. 41.25. How do I know?
Right now I'm missing his live, but we move. We move in power. All right, so that's how to join a live session. Now, hold on, Izzy. Go back there. Hold on. Click on Delano's picture. Now, we also have previous sessions and favorite sessions. These are where you can access, former go live sessions of a particular educator. So like right now, we can access Delano's live session from the last time he was live through previous sessions. So click on previous sessions. Good. Now you can see those videos there. Anyone you tap on, you can absolutely watch for yourself. Then cancel and then click on favorite sessions. Favorite sessions. Okay, he doesn't have any favorite sessions yet. That's why he's telling you favorite sessions not available. But yeah, you can explore for other educators on this particular aspect. Let's go back. Okay, so now I guess we are pretty much done with the Go Live app. Great. So now I want to show you guys how to use SwipeCoin, Steady, DeLorean, Swipe Trades, and GoldCup. All right. These are apps that you copy trade ideas from these apps and you execute them on your MetaTrader 4. So I'm still going to go back to that MT4 app. So stay put. Now, go to, you can leave the Go Live app. Go to the SwipeCoin app, for example. Those of you on DCX, SwipeCoin is for you, baby. Let's go. SwipeCoin, not swipe option. People like swipe option too much. I said SwipeCoin, not swipe option. Good. Now, guys, for any app that you access, any app that you log into, Eze is already logged into his app. Your apps will always require you, if you're logging in for the first time, to sign in with your username and your password. Your username and your password. Okay? Now click on the menu button. That's the first thing you should always do. The menu button and notification settings. That's the first thing you should always do. Anytime you enter an app, make sure your notifications are turned on. Well, I usually don't turn on my email notifications, but I make sure my phone notifications are turned on at all times. So London session, US session, Asian session, and then all the alerts typed under the SwipeCoin app, turn them all on. Okay, so literally you're turning on everything under this app. Okay, so let's go back. Now, guys, when trade ideas come, or when you want to actually enter a trade, on SwipeCoin, this is what to show you. This is what it will show you. 1 second. LB Hybers, Jumoke is not on the call. Rombi is not on the call either. I don't know if Rombi is here, but I can't see him. I can't see him. Make sure that they are here because they are DCX people. Sorry, hold on a second. I need to make sure that my guests are tucked into the overview for 8. Now, when you receive a trade idea, what you see is this from SwipeCoin, and it tells you trade idea by this is for, I'm going through the entire elite package. So, I mean, it covers everything. All right, it covers everything. For those of you asking if this is for HFX and all, it covers pretty much everything. Okay, because some of the information you will need it for your use of IM Blaze. Sorry, 1 second. Oh, right. Okay, LB, I got the message. All right, so now the trade ideas come like this, and what you want to take note of, idea time. That's the first thing you look out for. So first things first, click the refresh button so that you are sure that you are looking at the latest trade idea. Click the refresh button at the top right, top right, top right. Good. So this is the latest one, Abby. This shows you that this came in 5 hours ago. 5 hours ago. Now click on the tick, the yellow part of the at the bottom. The tick, the big button, the big yellow button at the bottom. Good. So now this opens the trade idea for you. It shows you entry. It shows you, okay, BTC USD currency pair, 4-hour time frame, leverage. Okay, good. Now, for you to get the parameters, of this trade idea, you need to click on the picture. Okay, click on the picture. Good. Now, I'm going to explain what this picture means. When you see a trade idea like this, you see that green rectangular part, right? And the number beside it is in red. That's the entry price. So guys, at this junction, you need to take note of the parameters you need in order to execute a trade on your MetaTrader 4 from any apps I'm going to show you tonight. Are you ready? TBX people, you need this information. FRX, you need this information. DCX, you need this information. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. So, the rectangular box where the arrow, the bottom of the arrow starts from, pointing in the upward direction, is your entry price. Now, when you see an arrow pointing up, it means it is for a buy. IMASTRA Academy will not tell you, oh, this is a buy trade, this is a sell. No, because we are not financial advisors. These are strictly for educational purposes, but you can use them and make money with them on your live accounts. All right. Now, the box is the entry zone. HFX and TBX are the same though. I've mentioned that. Just relax, Omar, okay? Don't worry. Just relax. Or maybe you might want to leave the meeting. Maybe tomorrow you can attend the one for TBX. Maybe you're not comfortable with that. But I believe you can learn some things here that would help you tomorrow to better understand the TBX launch call. That's why I won't send you out. All right? If you want to stay, fine. If you don't want to stay, you are free to leave. All right? Tomorrow, you will have TBX launch call proper. All right? So guys, let's go. The box, entry zone, the arrow indicates a buy. The first blue line above the box is your TP1. So now the parameters that you need to take note of when you are executing a trade. Number one, what type of order is it? Order type. I'll tell you the different types of orders that you can take. Number one, order type. Number two, hold on first. Number one, currency pair. Currency pair. Right now, this currency pair is BTC USD. So number one, currency pair. Number two, order type. Order type. Number three, lot size. Lot size. Number four, entry price. Entry price. Number five, take profits. And then number six, stop loss. Who got all six of them? List them on the chat box. If you got all six of them, drop in the chat box. If you got all six of them, drop in the chat box. So, sorry, who are my guests?
I did video call.
Hold on a second.
Use his number. Use his number. Use his number.
Okay. Who got all 6 of them? Drop the 6 in the chat. And nobody dropped the 6 parameters. Nobody dropped it. Number 1, order type. Sorry, number 1, currency pair. Number 1, currency pair. Number 2, number 1, currency pair. Number 2, order type. Number 3, number it is a number them. Number it so that it's serial. I like to arrange things serially. Number 3, lot size. Number 3 is your lot size. Number 4, entry zone. Number 5, take profits in brackets TP. And number 6, plus.
Please, number 5, I lost it. Sorry.
Take profit, TP. In brackets TP. Number 6 is stop loss in brackets SL. Owen, what are you, where are you lost? You can't say start again. You can't start from the beginning of the launch call. Where exactly did you miss it? Is it the list of what I'm typing? Eze, you didn't post it directly though. You didn't post it for everyone. You posted it to Taiwo. So copy paste. Good. All right, great. So now with these things, let's now identify. Let's go and identify all of these things from the SwipeCoin app. The SwipeCoin app, for example. Let's go. So now, I've already shown you the entry, which is the rectangular box, the green rectangular box. So currency pair, we already know Bitcoin USD. Order type is a buy. Market execution, buy. So this trade, when it was sent, it was most likely already at the entry zone. So market execution should be a buy or buy limit. That's the order type. Okay. The next is lot size. For your lot size, they'll always recommend 0.01 for every $100 account. So you have $200. It means your lot size can be 0.02. $300, you can take 0.03. $400, you can take 0.04. $500, you can take a maximum of 0.05 lot size, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's that for your lot size. So if you have a $100 account, your lot size shouldn't exceed 0.01. Now we have entry. I've already shown you where the entry is. In this trade idea right now, 29,821 is the entry zone. Right? Now, most times when they send you a trade idea, they send you take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Sometimes they will only send you take profit 1 and 2. You can choose any of the take profits, either 1, 2, 3, depending on how much you want to make from that trade. You can choose any one and put it as your take profit when you get to your Mt4 app. Now, the SL, the stop loss, is the line below the entry zone. Eze, we can't see your screen anymore.
Hold on 1 minute. I don't know what's. Hello,
Hey.
I'm back on.
All right, so now you have all of these things. All of these things, TP1, TP2, TP3. But you can pick any one out of the 3. And then your SL is 28,800, the line below the entry. Now, what if this arrow was pointing down? Everything flips to the opposite direction. The line where you have 32,700 becomes your SL. The entry will come around in between the SL and the second blue line, starting from the top. The entry will be between that line up there and the middle line, which is 31,200. The entry will be in between there, maybe around 32,000. Your TP1 will be 31,200, TP2 will be 30,300, and TP3 will be 28,800. Now, the reason why the direction of the arrow matters is because an arrow pointing up is for a buy, an arrow pointing down is for a sell. You can make money from any direction the arrow is pointing. Most important thing is for you to be able to identify your parameters. Now let's go to another app. This is for SwipeCoin. TP simply means your take profits, and they'll give you 3 TPs. You can pick any one of the 3 TPs that you like. Let's go to the Swipe Trade app. How do you mean how? They are projecting, you can't enter all TPs at the same time, but you can adjust your TPs. Okay, you can adjust it, you can change it. If you see that it's approaching TP1 already, you can edit it and change to TP2 quickly before it hits TP1 so it doesn't take you out. And then you can keep modifying your TPs as price keeps moving in your favor. Please share your screen, Eze. Oh, this is true.
Yeah, I feel like say you know, that's like yeah, I feel like say you come from that side. No, I don't say the pharmacy said don't be behind.
I'm here, guys.
Yeah.
Hi, Chairman Ike, can you hear me?
Yes, okay, great. So we have Swipe Trade app. We have the Swipe Trade
Hello, this is your
app.
volume.
Now, the Swipe Trade app as well, the same thing. Go to the settings. Click on the bottom button and have settings. Good. Just to make sure your notifications are turned on. Go back to the home page. These are the trade ideas. Click on the refresh button at the top right. All right, cool. So this particular trade idea you've seen here is an old trade idea that was called but it already hit stop loss. That is why you can see it says stopped out. So when you see updates, know it's an old trade idea. If you see new trade idea, then you know it's a new trade idea. So this is an old trade idea, obviously. So swipe away to the right, I think, or left. Okay, so this was when that trade idea came in. So you can see it has new idea written there. And once you click on new idea, click on new idea. Click on new idea. Good. It gives you the full setup. Telling you other type, sell limits. So you already know this one gives you the trade, everything verbatim. All you're doing is copy and paste. It tells you entry price, it tells you stop loss, and it tells you your take profits. All you're literally doing is click the copy button. You see that copy button beside it. Click it, paste it in your MT4. Click it, go and paste it in your MT4. Click it, go and paste it in your MT4. So let's actually try. Go to your MT4. Click on quotes, 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 quotes. Yes. What was the currency pair? What was the currency pair? AUD NCD. Now, hold on. Listen, wait first now. There are newbies here. Calm down. So you want to make sure that you know how to add a currency pair when you don't see it in your screen. Okay? You see that plus button. You see that plus button at the top right. That's where you should click. So click on that place and search for the currency pair you are looking for. AUD, what was it? NCD. So yes, you can see it. When you find it, click on the green button, the green plus button beside it. Click on it and then go back. Done. Click on done and then go back. You can see AUD NCD has appeared at the bottom of the list. So now you can enter this trade. Click on AUD NCD. Click on trade. And you see, where you have market execution, it tells you, click on that market execution part. That is where you have the different types of orders that we have. It can be market execution. Market execution means that price is already around the entry zone and you want to just enter immediately. But you see, buy limits, sell limits, buy stop and sell stop. These are all pending orders. The 4 of them are all pending orders. Buy limits, sell limits, buy stop, and sell stop. These are all pending orders. Okay? These are all pending orders. All right? So now the next thing you want to do, you already know. What did they tell you that order was? Sell limits. So you change it from market execution to what? Sell limits. Boom. Now it will allow you select your lot size. You see that 0.03 in the middle. That is your current lot size right now. I hope this is a demo account, is it?
It's not.
Switch to your demo, sir.
Or okay. It's not changing. You're seeing, right? Okay, I've seen it. Alright.
Go back. It's yours Google's way.
No, it's not.
KOT demo.
Okay. Yeah.
You remember your login for the demo?
I don't remember, but I can go and get I can copy the password. Or should we open a new one for them?
You can open a new one. It's faster.
Okay. I should open a new one, right?
Yes, please.
All right. I'm using KOT, right?
Yeah, you can use KOT demo. Done.
Yeah, done.
Okay. Trade. Sell limit. Okay, good. That's good. So now you want to make sure your lot size can adjust it to 0.01, 0.02, anyone you want by editing it directly or something. Yeah. All right. So now your price. What you do, go from the app, copy the price, go to the app, copy, paste price, copy and paste. Click on the copy button, go to the app, paste it. Your lot size is percentage of your account you are risking. Okay, 0.01 means you are risking 1%. 0.02, you are risking 2% per peak. 0.03, 3% per peak. Okay? So for every peak that the price moves, your account is growing or reducing by 0. Whatever percent, like 1%, 2% per peak. Okay, so now you have copied up parameters. But now this trade idea is already an invalid trade idea. That's why it's not allowing you to place the order. It was a trade idea that was sent a long time ago. Right now, if not, you have been able to place this trade. Okay, so that's how to copy from apps. Okay, let's go through the other apps. Let me quickly show you guys the other apps as well.
Which one are we checking?
No, Alan, call me video call. You go, okay, call me video call. After this video call, you go to you want to call
You said?
DeLorean.
No, I said I didn't marry. You know where they come up from? I come up from 8 man. 8 man now come up from.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Use your head. Put down for yourself first. Or if you get punch, put down for yourself.
Click on C notes. Although this trade idea looks like it's already gone. Click on C notes.
They're not letting me refresh. They're not letting me refresh. They're not letting me click on it.
Oh, really?
They won't let me click on it. You've seen it. Okay, is this it?
Yes.
Okay.
So, yes, it gives you a suggested entry zone. Right. Yeah, so this is the DeLorean app as well. But you also want to make sure the notification is turned on for the DeLorean app.
Mr. Ike, is this trade active?
I can't confirm that right now. I would have to check the chart. Well, let me see. Go up. What's the other type? Scroll up.
Okay. Up where?
Click on DeLorean.
There's no scrolling up on notification.
Click on DeLorean.
Are you there?
I said click on
Okay, I feel
DeLorean.
release your radio again.
Click on DeLorean.
I just did.
Okay, click on the home page.
I just did.
I think your screen
That-
is lagging.
It shouldn't be. It's
Okay,
you
click
can
on
see, right?
Or click on hyperdrive.
On.
Hyperdrive.
Hello. Okay. Hello, are you there?
Yes.
All right.
Okay, this was a sell trade idea. Anyways, this is just to
A
show
minute
you.
ago. A minute ago.
Oh, this one just came in. Oh, this one just came in. All right,
Yeah.
swipe it so that you can. This is for a sell.
Yeah. I should click on C notes, right?
Yeah.
Why? Why is it when I click on C notes, it doesn't pop up? Do I have to swipe it first?
Swipe it. Swipe it.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So scroll up. So it has given you a sell entry already on Euro USD. You can copy that entry, but DeLorean doesn't give you your stop loss and take profit. So DeLorean is a bit more advanced. It's for people that know how to calculate stop loss and TP. But we can practice with this one on our demo and see what happens. Okay, so
Okay.
copy the trade, the entry.
Copied.
Okay. Euro USD. Paste in price.
Done. Yeah.
Actually, it's at the entry zone. Oh. So you
Yes.
can actually change it to market execution. Market
Okay.
execution. No, not
Okay.
there. Scroll up.
Okay.
Change it
Yeah.
from sell limit. Market execution. Click on sell by market.
I have not put anything on stop loss or take profit, sir.
Okay. Stop loss, you can put let me just give 100 people. This is demo account. So let's put 1.0800 as your SL.
1.0800.
Yeah.
1.08.
And then put 1.05. Yeah, 1.054 as your TP. 1.054. You can now click on sell by market. So you're already in the trade for a sell. Market has not moved in your favor yet, but yeah, you have entered that trade. So that's how to execute trades. Okay, now let's go over to, that's DeLorean for you now. So which other one is there? Which other app? Let's leave DeLorean.
I am
We
good.
have Gold. So Gold Cap is an add-on.
Okay.
But click on Gold Cup. Click on home.
On what? Home.
Home.
Okay. Yeah, you're done.
They don't send trade ideas on the Gold Cup often. That's why you can see the last one was sent 31st of May. But make sure your notification is turned on. So go to more settings. Then make sure phone notification is turned on for Teacup and Gold Rush. That's all.
Okay.
The other ones are add-ons. That's why you can't have them.
Yeah,
You have to pay
notice.
$50.
$50.
It comes with FRX Pro Pack. So you just buy the Pro Pack and you have Pro Cup as well. Pro Pack has more than one strategy on it. Pro Pack has levels, harmonics, Good Cup, and several other access. Okay.
Same as the copy and paste strategy, yeah?
Yes, it's also copy and paste.
Okay.
So I think we dealt with virtually all the apps. I've shown you how to copy and paste trades on your MT4. So now,
Mr. Ike?
Yeah?
You didn't show us how to paste it on Binance, so I was thinking you do that too.
That's what I'm about to do now. So go to your SwipeCoin app.
SwipeCoin. All right. I'm here.
Now, this is how to find the trade ideas you can put on your Binance. Okay?
Okay.
Click on, close this this trade idea. Close this one.
Okay.
Go back. Good. Refresh.
Yeah,
Click
still
on
no
the
recent
menu.
one.
Click on the menu.
Yeah.
Click on exchange ideas.
Exchange ideas.
Good. Now, here on exchange ideas is where we find coins that you can invest in. You can buy, you can trade on your Binance as well. So you come here. The latest one, which came in yesterday, was GRT. That was sent by Mike Sotero. Okay? These are people that deal in coins. They don't just deal in trading of BTC and ETH and the likes. They deal in coins. So click on GRT, the one by Mike Sotero. You can see this was a trade idea that came yesterday. Okay? Click on the picture. It was for a potential buy idea, right? Now, I will explain what scalp zone and swing zone means. Scalp zone is the zone this trade or this coin is most likely going to appreciate to before it retraces back and starts going to the higher zone. Scalp zone is for short-term. You want to buy a coin for short-term purposes. You can buy it for scalp. But if you know you are willing to hold, you want to hold it for long, there are some people that are shareholders of coins, then that swing zone is for you. Okay? So now you want to make sure that you've copied out the potential reversal zone,
which is 0.13726
No.
right?
0.14650. That's your entry.
Okay, 0.146.
Yes.
Okay, the one with the red indicator on it, right?
Yes.
All right.
But I'm looking at the charts. I'm looking at the one at the right hand side. Okay?
Okay. That's 1.145, Abi.
0.1465000. Where they wrote GRT USD. That's
Okay, I've seen that. Yeah, I've seen that. That's the entry point, yeah?
That's your entry point.
All
So
right.
let's go to your Binance.
I'll click on trade, right?
You click on trades.
I'll select the pair.
Search.
You said?
Click on ETH. Click on that place where they wrote ETH
Yeah,
USD.
I have. Okay.
Search for GRT. USD.
The first one, right?
Yes, the first one.
Mr. Ike, are you there?
Okay, great. So now, this is where you put your, let's see, where has price been?
0.1476, right?
Okay, so this thing has already started moving up. Let's go back and
Yeah.
check. What was our entry? What was our entry?
0.016900.
Carry me, chat with person. I said,
1465.
me will be guy man.
Go back to Go back to Binance.
Chat. Because
It's already at 147. So it has already started moving up already.
Okay.
So now what you want to do is you want to place a buy limit and you want to fix
Okay.
your price at 0.146.
Should I edit it?
Yes.
0.146.
465.
Yeah. Yeah.
Amount of GR you want to buy. Click on that amount, please.
Okay. 25%.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. And you can now click on buy
Okay.
GR. So that's basically how to place this trade on your Binance.
There's no timing or something.
Nothing. Just make sure you're checking.
You're checking it
And you
to see. Hello?
To see if it has picked you in, and also
Okay.
how price is moving.
Okay.
Okay.
Ask them if they understand.
So that's how we roll. You said what?
You should ask them if they understand this one. This one we just did now.
You just placed a trade. It has gone higher than your entry. So you are waiting for a retracement. It's just like when you are trying to place it on MT4 as well.
Yeah.
This is just that this is now, you are buying an asset to hold. You are buying an asset to keep. That's the only difference.
All right.
Got
So
it?
at the point where I have gotten profits, I should sell, yeah?
Yes, you just come to the sell part of the trade and you sell it. You sell it, it goes back to your USD.
Okay. So now, sorry for being asking so many questions. How do you actually know when you're in the market around on this app?
How do you what?
know when you've gotten you have gotten profit on this particular app.
You come to your wallets.
Okay.
Click on wallet. Spots. To be in your spots, you will see GRT in your spots.
Have you seen? I've not seen it. They have not picked me in.
It has not taken you in yet. That's why.
Okay. Okay.
Does it make sense?
Okay. Yeah, to me it does.
All right. So that's how you literally use your Binance to copy and paste. I have a more extensive training on this Binance one on one of our trainings one of these days. But this is just to show you different methods that you're using copying and pasting trades. Now, one last thing I want to show you on the SwipeCoin app. Close this trade idea. Open the SwipeCoin app. SwipeCoin. Still on SwipeCoin. Close this trade idea. Go back.
I have.
Go back again. Click on the menu button. Click on the menu button. And Scalper charts. Click on Scalper charts. Now, these are also trade ideas. Okay? So now I've shown you two different ways. This is a third way. You can also make money on this SwipeCoin app. This way tells you when there's short time frame movement in BTC or ETH. Okay, for example, today is what, 2nd of
yeah, the last one is the most recent. June.
Yes. Count how many has been sent today. Let's see how many.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So 7 trade ideas have come in, but I'm sure so many of you don't know that this has happened.
No, I don't understand this one.
That was money you just missed out on. So now, go to your browser.
I'm here. What am I searching for? Mr. Ike, what am I looking for?
Okay, great. So go to swipecoin.im. Swipecoin.im.
Swipecoin.im.
Save. Good. So now, this is, for this part, I prefer to rotate your screen. Please rotate it to landscape. Because for me, I like to do this on my laptop though, but trust me, anybody can do this. Laptop or phone. We're in the era of making money anywhere, anytime, any day. Right? This meeting link is good. We need to be very quick because this meeting, yeah, there's another meeting coming on here by 9 o'clock. So we need to hurry. So I'm going to just quickly show you how this SwipeCoin Scalper works. Okay. So now, when you come here, this actually shows you that part I showed you in the app that alerted you, there was a trade idea on this and that. So it gives you trade ideas on BTC and ETH only. BTC. I think the last one that came in was on ETH. So click on ETH.
Okay.
Click on ETH. Good. And that was 2 hours ago. Now, this gave us an entry for what? A sell. Can you see? Because the red line beside this
Going
last
down.
trade idea that was giving us, right?
Yeah.
Eh? Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here, but I did not get that particular thing you just said.
I said, can you see the latest ETH trade idea that came in? This
Yes.
came in around 1845. That was 6:45.
Yeah, 6:45. Yeah.
And it was for a sell. How do you know it's for a sell? Can you see the red line?
Yeah, going down.
The red bar. Eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Where you have symbol, time UTC, time ago. There's a red
Yes.
bar beside it.
Yes,
That
yes,
red bar
yes,
indicates
yes,
a sell.
yes. Yeah, okay. I got that.
Exactly. That red bar indicates a sell. The one with the blue bar under it
Says
indicates
buy.
a buy. That was 3 hours
Yeah.
ago.
Yeah.
Right? So when you receive
Yeah.
that red bar, that symbol, what do you look out for? You go to the charts, you'll see an arrow. Now this arrow tells you that it's going to drop. There are specific things you look out for when you receive a trade idea on SwipeCoin Scalper. Number one, where is the yellow line? Is the yellow line above the candles or below the candles?
Is this yellow or is this yellow or
the yellow line? That yellow line across all the candles there.
Yeah, is this yellow, sir?
It's yellow now.
It looks like sea green
Have you
to
seen
me. Or...
sea green? No,
Yeah.
there's a yellow line, not a bar. Can you see a
Okay,
yellow
okay,
line?
yeah. I've seen that. I've seen that. Descending. Sorry.
That's the first thing you look out for. Okay?
Yeah.
That's the first thing you look out for. Is it above? If it is above, that's a confirmation for itself. Yeah, it looks like orange. Yeah, the line actually looks like orange. That's number one confirmation for a sell. Number two confirmation for the sell, you are looking for a downward arrow. Can you see this red arrow?
Yeah, pointing down, I can see.
Pointing down. Good. Now, scroll down. There's a comment box. Scroll down. No, not there. In the chat, inside the chat. Inside the chart where the candles are. Good. What does it say? Break and close below the zone
to confirm the idea.
Good. Now scroll up. Let's see where the zone is. You see where this green rectangle is?
Yeah.
This is the zone.
Okay.
So now, was there a break and, do you know what a break and close means?
When you have one candle going up and down, like when one goes up and then immediately another one crosses it.
Now, this rectangular area is the zone. They said break and close below this zone, meaning if a red candle goes down below the zone and closes, and another candle opens still below that zone, that confirms the trade idea for a sell. Okay?
Yeah.
So it means that at the opening, there's a candle that closed below the zone. Can you identify the candle?
Yeah, the one right the one okay, four candles to your right. Yeah, the fifth candle.
Good. It broke and closed below.
Yeah.
That's this long red candle that you see here.
Yeah.
Okay.
What happened?
Okay, are we there?
Are you there?
Yes,
Yeah,
I'm here. So rotate. Okay, good. So now, this training is another extensive training that we need to repeat, but this is for launch call purpose, just so you can understand, have an idea. Don't worry, I'll send the recording.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll send the recording. This meeting is recorded, so you guys can watch it. So now break and close below confirms the trade idea. But unfortunately, it's looking like this trade idea has flipped. So most likely,
it has.
send us another alert. So you need to always be checking your alerts. And
It comes in, but since I don't know how to do it, I
sometimes
just
it comes, it changes. They will send you another one. It will not be for a buy.
Yeah.
That's when you know that the previous one that was for a sell, you need to jump out. Okay.
Yeah.
You got it.
Can you hear me?
You got it.
Yeah. So, can you hear me, Mr. Ike?
I can hear you.
Okay, I think I should increase my volume. It's
I
creepy.
can hear you. I can hear you.
All right.
Can you hear me?
It's very faint. I just took out my earphone just got low, so it disconnected. I don't know how to get it back.
You need to, there's a microphone. Go back to Zoom. Go back to Zoom.
Okay.
Go back to Zoom, the Zoom app.
Yeah, I'm at Zoom now.
Tap your screen.
I can't hear you, said?
There's a speaker button. There's a speaker button on the top left of your screen. Speaker button on the top left of your screen. Tap on that.
I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you now.
Can you hear me clearly now?
Okay, yeah, I can.
So now, share your screen real quick. There's another meeting on this link by 9.
My screen is shared already now.
Okay. It's not sharing. It's not sharing.
Okay, 1 minute.
Go back to Zoom and reshare.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, good. So now, this now shows you that, you know, what was I saying? I lost my train of thought. What was the last thing I said? So break and close, yeah. So now at that break and close should have been when you would have entered this trade real quick. So when the next blue red candle could have entered, but now this one has gone above, you know, that area. We don't know whether this is a pullback or if it is a new trade idea or stop loss. Okay, I'm going to do another training. Unfortunately, I have to end here, but I'm going to do another training that's going to teach you how to set a stop loss for Scalper, or send you a video to watch. There's a video you can actually watch to know how to set your stop loss for these Scalper trades and your take profits as well. But for now, I've just shown you how to take trades on the SwipeCoin app through the ones that they send as leverage ideas, exchange ideas, and Scalper, SwipeCoin Scalper. I mentioned I was going to show you 3 different ways to make money on DCX. On that app that you have. So, guys, I hope you got value from this training. So there's going to the training that is happening at 9 o'clock. Some of you might want to actually stay back because they are going to teach you how to fund your MT4 account. So for those of you that are on TBX, you need to fund your MT4 account to take IM Blaze trades. There's an app called IM Blaze. You need to fund your trading account for that. They'll teach you how to do that on the 9 p.m. call. Still on this link. You can decide to stay or leave and join back, whatever. Maybe you want to take a few moments to, you know, cool yourself down from all this information I've just loaded you with. But I mean, I tried. I said this training was going to last for 2 hours. I already budgeted 2 hours for this training. 2 hours apparently is not really that much of, you know, enough time. But I mean, I'm sure this has brought. Yes, please stay back. Everybody can actually stay back because they'll teach you how to fund your MT4 account so you can take IM Blaze trade. IM Blaze is an app on TBX. Okay, so make sure you stay back so you can take that trade. You can learn how to take this trade on IM Blaze as well. Right,
Mr.
so
Ike, before you go, before you go, stop limit will it come alive on Binance, so I have to be the one to press sell or stop it when I have to.
Yes, so that's why it's an exchange trade idea. There's no stop loss per
Okay.
se. You're buying an asset.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, I get you.
Just like buying land or
Yeah,
buying a
so
house.
I'll just observe. If I make profits, I sell, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, please. All right,
Can you
I have
remember
to
how
go now. You can unshare your screen. It's 9 o'clock already. Other people are going to start joining in a bit. Thank you, Eze Ebuka, for sharing your screen. Thank you to Prince Will as well. Thank you to Coach Rebecca, who took the first part of the meeting. Guys, go on the group chat and drop some thank you for Coach Rebecca and Coach Ike. If you know you got value and you enjoyed this session, please, some gratitude will be nice, because gratitude is the seed for more, so that next time I can come and pour out my heart and show you and teach you as much as I can. There's so much in my head, to actually pass an impact. I'll be happy to do that, right? When I know that you actually got value and you appreciated the first one. So let's go to the group chats and drop some appreciation over there. All right. I will see you at the top. Right? Bye.